In this guide, I'm going to show you how to monetize an Instagram account. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to open up Instagram and you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. Then tap those three lines up in the top right to open up settings and activity. From here, you need to scroll down to the professional section and look specifically for account types and tools. Keep in mind, you do need to be a professional account. So open this up, select to switch over to a professional account. Go ahead and tap next, choose category like digital creator, creator or business. I've already done this, which is why mine already says I am a professional right here. But follow the setup steps or skip the extra profile options if you don't need them. But once your account is switched, go back to your profile and open up the professional dashboard. You'll see it on your profile just like so. You might have to restart your app though. From here, you can check your insights, view your monetization status, set up branded content, add payout information, and see which monetization tools are available. As you can see, if I scroll down right here, there's a bunch of different stuff for monetization. Like I could open this up right here, and this is all the stuff. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.